Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to change the internal battery in a Hyundai Elantra key fob. This 3-button key fob was used between 2007 and 2020, and inside we'll find a 2032 battery. It's very simple to open this up and change your battery at home, and the batteries are very inexpensive. There's a link in the description if you'd like to purchase it on Amazon, and once you have a new battery you can just follow along and we'll have a new battery inside in no time. Start by looking at the top of the key fob for where this little groove is, and take something like a flathead screwdriver and insert it and just give a twist. Just a slight twist will separate the two halves of the key fob. And these buttons might be coming out. I'll show you, just in case they fall out, I'll show you how to put the whole thing back together. So let's just put that to the side for now and take the little circuit board carefully. Maybe put it in this rubber protector here that holds it all into place, and take a tool like your flathead screwdriver and simply push on the bottom of the battery and it will start to come out, and you can finish it with your fingers. This is our CR2032. Make sure that when you get your new one, the positive side with the text is facing up, and just put it back in the way it came. Just slide it all the way into the bottom there. I'm going to put the circuit board and the little rubber thing back in place, and I'm going to show you just how to put these buttons back. This will go, the two buttons that are connected will very easily just go back into place like so. And we're going to check, okay, so this is the top of the key fob, and I'm going to put the hold button like that. So, whoops, let's turn it over. Make sure the hold button is facing the right way. That goes right back in. And on top of that goes the circuit board with the rubber component. And now we can click this back into place and the light should come on. That means everything's in place and your battery is working. And that's really all it takes. You have a new battery inside your Hyundai Elantra key fob and you're good to go. Thank you for watching.